How many potential small business owners do you think there are right now sitting right outside your doorstep? How many of them do you think want more business? The obvious answer is all of them, right? Okay, not all of them are looking for help, and some of them downright want nothing to do with marketing, granted. But what if I could show you a simple 3-step system that could help you find all the small business owners that would love it if you could help them? What if you also knew exactly the problems that these business owners have and how you could make money fixing it for them? Sound interesting? Well, keep watching and let me tell you how to start a simple one-person business you can create this afternoon that will pay you over and over again until you decide to stop making money. Yes, there's a little work involved, but really, we're not talking hard work at all. It's just a simple 3-step process you repeat over and over again. First, find business leads in any area that you want. Our system does the heavy lifting. Second, choose the ones that have problems our system identifies. This is all done for you. And third, point out their problems and offer to fix them. That is it. If you want to make it harder, you can, but really it's that simple. Let our system do all the hard work for you. The system scouts out all the leads for you automatically, requires no cold calling, identifies the small business owner's problems, shows you exactly what you need to do to fix it, and allows you to automatically send out the emails to contact them and be the hero that they have been hoping for. For you, that means no stress, no wasting time trying to find leads, no confusion on how to help them. Whether in a rural area, a small town, or a big city, every small business needs customers and clients, right? You're here to fix that problem for them. Your solution will help them get them more qualified leads blowing up their phones, more people coming through their doors, and make sure that new potential customers and clients can find them. Those are benefits any small business will gladly pay you for if you can deliver. I suppose the question remains, can you deliver with this tool? Absolutely. We have beta users already cashing out big on this opportunity. Check out the proof. And in case you're wondering, no hard work was involved. Again, here are 3 simple steps. Find business leads, point out their problems, offer to fix it for a small fee. Most of these owners don't have huge marketing budgets, so they're often neglected by large marketing agencies. They can, however, spend anywhere from $500 to $2,500 for online marketing help. If you can help them out, they'll gladly give you that money. Could you use an extra $500 to $2,500 this month? Not too shabby, right? You can go as big as you want to and turn this into your own mini empire if you like. Others have done it, why not you? Does this sound too simple? Your skepticism? It's understandable. You see, when we started this, one of the biggest problems was figuring out how to pinpoint easy leads that could use our services. It took hours to sort and sift through the ones we could find. Honestly, it was a nightmare. Now, if we were going to succeed, we needed to be diligent and patient because we definitely were dealing with a lot of constant disappointment and frustration. The software we created solved all these issues, and you can now have access to it if you like. The software provides you with endless business leads, highlights their problems, and gives you the solution to fix it for them. What used to take us weeks and months, you can now do in minutes. Imagine what that can do for you. All right, at this point, you now have a decision to make. You can keep doing whatever it is you've been doing in business before watching this video, keep things the way they are, or you can try something different. You could give yourself the gift of opportunity. Are you going to take advantage of a battle-tested, proven, profitable, automated system? Are you going to go back to doing what you've always been doing? The choice, totally up to you. If you're all booked up with clients, then all I can really say is thank you for watching this presentation. But if you're not all booked up with clients, if you want to be so busy that you might have to start turning down work, turning down clients, and turning down money, maybe you should give this opportunity a chance. Are you ready to access Local Profits 360? You see, with Local Profits 360, all you have to do is follow our simple 3-step system, and we guarantee by next week you will have your first check signed by your first high-paying client. No guesswork. Step 1, let our system find your leads. In minutes, you could pull up tons of businesses that need your help. Step 2, show them what they're missing. local marketing stats, social stats, reputation, video stats, and many more. Step 3, offer to help them for a fee. It's really this simple. Do the work yourself or outsource for pennies on the dollar. And don't worry, we show you how to do that. These businesses need you, and we'll show you how to get them to give you money. Are there email swipes? You bet. We're going to walk you step by step to profits with our system. Let localprofits360 do all the heavy lifting for you. What kind of services will you be helping them with? Well, video creation, video marketing, local SEO services, reputation management, creating websites, and much more. Now you really can be your own CEO. How big you grow your empire, it's up to you. With this system, you can start your own agency, and the cool part is the client prospecting, the audit checks, and reports are all done for you using Local Profits 360. Make residual profits month after month on autopilot. Can you imagine yourself collecting $500 to $2,500 per business owner over and over again from just one client? What if you had 2 clients or 3 or more? What kind of lifestyle could you live with that kind of money? Everything you need to succeed is included on the other side of the buy button. Once payments complete, you get instant access. Everything is explained in detail so you can get up and running fast. You can start getting leads today if you like. No experience necessary. The cloud-based software does all the hard work for you. It finds leads, points out the problems, and allows you to reach out to them. You also get complete training, top 20 proven to convert email swipes for getting clients to say yes, list of top 100 local business niches that convert for fast profit, the outsourcing cheat sheet, and more surprise bonuses which you'll find out as soon as you join. Now, obviously, everyone likes a deal. For fast action takers who act on this right now, you could join Local Profits 360 for just a fraction of its value. And of course, there's a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you have absolutely no risk and no excuses to not give this a try. Hit the buy button and get immediate access to one of the easiest money-making systems that you've ever come across. By this time next week, you should already have signed local clients, and I'll be looking forward to a thank you email testimonial from you. But hurry, the price will increase. But hey, even if we charged $500, it would still be worth it because you'd make that back in just one deal. Obviously, if you don't want to pay that much, just click the buy button right now while it's at the lowest price it will ever be. Ready to get started? Are you ready to take charge of your financial situation? Take action. Hit the buy button now.
Hello everyone, welcome to this short demo. In this demo I will show you how easy it is to use Local Profits 360 to find unlimited small business owners that needs your help today. So let's get started by searching beauty salons in Denver. Okay, so here we have the leads, we have all the great information on the card. Just check out how much things we are checking right here. Now the next step would be to check their Google reviews, and you can also generate SEO reports just like this that tells you if that business has a listing on Yelp, if it's on Foursquare, does this business have Facebook Place directory, does this business has rich snippets, is it mobile responsive, Google My Business optimization, if everything is checked here. Also, it also gives you the keyword density for local SEO. We also check if this business has YouTube videos, and also we look over the top 5 competitors, and you can also download the PDF. Once you have all this, you can add your leads to campaigns. You can add individual, or you can go ahead and select all and just add all leads at once to one of your campaigns. You see how simple it is? And the next thing would be to check the campaigns and go ahead and start contacting these leads. So here's how simple it is. All you have to do is just pick a category that you want to pick a category of the service that you want to offer, and then just select one of our high converting email templates right from the drop down. So you see how easy it is to use localprofits360 to finally sell your services to local clients. We also gave you the option to attach the local reports automatically. Once you hit send, it will be added to the queue and be